In this demonstration, we will perform a one-time restore to a device. Note the prerequisites to perform a one-time restore include configuration of a recovery location and credential verification using a passphrase. Contact a user with security officer permissions to generate a passphrase prior to starting the restore. Log into the Cove Management Console with a SuperUser account. Select the checkbox for the device you want to restore, and click One-Time Restore. Cove has 3 on-demand data restore options. To Hyper-V. This service runs to restore data to a Hyper-V or local VHDX as configured in Add Recovery Location. To Azure. This service runs to restore data to an Azure virtual machine as configured in Azure Recovery Location. ESXi or VMDK. Restores data to a VMDK or ESXi instance in a secondary self-hosted location on an on-demand basis. In this example, we will restore data to Hyper-V. Select the customer from the drop-down. Select the recovery location for the restore, or click the Add Recovery Location to follow the steps to create a new recovery location. In this example, we will select the recovery location from the drop-down. The recovery location summary appears on the right. Click Next. Confirm the device's compatibility and click Next. Verify the credentials. A passphrase is automatically detected for users with security officer permissions. Contact a security officer if you are prompted to enter a passphrase. Click Next. Review the recovery settings. The latest successful backup session is selected by default. Click Next. Enter an optional email address to receive a report once the recovery is complete. Click Apply to all devices. And click Next. Click Confirm to start the restore. Notification messages appear to confirm the start of the successful restore. Click Finish. A one-time restore folder is created on the recovery location.